Hello guys, and welcome back to caferussian.com. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you some conversational phrases that are super useful in modern Russian. Once you actually come to Russia or have a chat with your Russian-speaking friend, you are going to hear these phrases a lot, and they can be a little bit confusing in using them as well. So let's make your life easier. Two phrases we are going to discuss today is «да ну» и «ну ты даешь». Let's have a look at the first one. «Ну ты даешь». So here we have the word «ну», which actually doesn't really mean anything. It's like well or you see in English. «Ты» means you. «Даешь» it's a verb «дать», to give. And if you try to translate it literally, it basically has no sense whatsoever. But we use it to express our surprise. It is very emotional. It means that you're super surprised or you can't believe the information you've just heard. The second phrase, «да ну», well, it's used to express our surprise as well, but it is a little bit less emotional, so you are a little bit less surprised. But there is one very significant difference in using these two phrases. When you say «ну ты даешь», that means that you are surprised that something will happen, or something happens, or that something is true right now. So basically, you have no doubts it will happen, or it happened, or it is happening, or it is true right now. You're just really surprised that, this thing exists. But when you say «да ну», that means that you are not sure that it is actually true. Maybe they're just fooling around with you. So let's work with examples. It will be easier this way. The example number one. Я вчера пил водку всю ночь. Very Russian. Я means I, вчера, yesterday, пил means drink, водку, well, I think you know what it is. Всю ночь, the whole night. So, yesterday I was drinking vodka the whole night. How can you reply to that? You have a few seconds to think about it. And now let's discuss. Basically, you can say both. If you say «ну ты даешь», that means that you believe me. You believe that I did it, or I was doing it. But, of course, you are surprised that it happened. But if you say «да ну», that means you are questioning the fact that it happened. The second example. Я говорю на 10 языках. Я говорю, I speak, на 10 языках. I can speak 10 languages. What can you answer to that? Again, you can answer both. If you believe me, what can you answer? «ну ты даешь». Or, if you don't believe me, what can you answer? «да ну». And let's take one more example. Let's say I'm at the party and I forgot my friend's name. And, of course, I tell him, «О, прости, пожалуйста, как тебя зовут?» «Прости, пожалуйста». I'm so sorry. Как тебя зовут? What's your name? And he can say, «ну ты даешь». Basically means that, well, he believes that I actually can't remember his name. And he is very surprised at this situation. But also he can say, «да ну, Крис, серьезно?» Basically, «да ну» means that I can't believe you forgot my name. «Серьезно?» means like, seriously? Like, come on, Chris, seriously? You forgot my name? So it shows less belief in the fact. So, this is it, guys. Of course, we have some individual examples of using these two phrases, but that is the main template you can use. If you want to show less surprise and disbelief, that is «да ну». If you want to show more surprise and you actually believe it happened or it will happen, you need to say «ну ты даешь». So, Hope it was useful. And if, guys, you are interested in Russian language and looking for some Russian tutor, I have someone in mind. Me as a tutor, I'm practicing a really revolutionary method of teaching a language through conversational practice. Basically, we will have the grammar and vocabulary, of course. Unfortunately, you can't do without it, but we will not go through exercises or textbooks. We will practice. So every lesson, I will give you a little bit of theory and a lot of practice. So by the end of every lesson, you will not just have a vague theory about different rules and words, but you will have a solid foundation of how to use it. So if you are interested in taking some Russian lessons with the revolutionary method of teaching language, just send me a message. I will leave my mail down below in the description box. And see you soon in the next video. Bye, guys!